Have you ever wanted to sign in to Roblox faster without typing your password every time? In this video, I'll show you how to use Quick Sign In on Roblox. Start on the device you want to log into and choose the Quick Sign In option. A QR code and a code will appear. Never share these with anyone. If you're already signed in on your phone, just open the camera app and point it at the QR code. Tap the Roblox link that pops up, then press Confirm Login in the app, and you'll be signed in instantly on your PC or console. Alternatively, you can use the code. On the device you're already signed in on, open the More menu. On PC, it's on the side, on mobile, it's at the bottom, and on console, it's the three dots in the top right. Select Quick Sign In. On the Roblox website, click the gear icon at the top and select Quick Sign In. Enter the code shown on the other device, then tap Enter. You may need to press it twice. Finally, tap Confirm Login on your phone and you're signed in. That's it! You now know how to use Quick Sign In on Roblox. Please leave a like if this video helped you out.